Alrighty, here's the October 2024 paper pumpkin. Let's see what we've got. So we've got, looks like some wide tear and tape. Our sentiments. We get some black cardstock for you. Christmas, Happy Holidays, Merry. Looks like some berries. Cardinal. Joyful thoughts to you this season, and some greenery. Stampin' spot this month is Shaded Spruce. For those of you that don't know, it comes every month like a gift, complete with tissue paper. It's very exciting. We don't always know what's in here. We just get a hint every month, and that's about all we get. Let's see. I have my directions. So it looks like there are 10 cards, 2 different designs, 5 of each, and coordinating envelopes. We've got some ribbons and some dimensionals. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh, look how beautiful these are. These envelopes. Aren't they beautiful? Wow. Some die cuts. Card fronts, and these look like they pop out. It's like they're paneled. I'll put them together in a minute and find out. Some banners, some more card pieces. Again, it looks like they pop out and they're paneled. Isn't that pretty? Alright, let's put them together. Alrighty, I got everything punched out and sorted between the 2 cards. So let's get started. The first card is this one. I'm going to put this aside. And I'm using my large ink and saving the Stampin' spot for my classes. So the first thing it says to do is to open this up and then fold it like so. I'm going to use my bone folder to get a nice crisp crease so that it lies down flat. There we go. Alright, then it says to stamp on these pieces. I'm assuming it's the back piece of this. And it wants me to stamp the greenery. Oh, I see. It doesn't stamp on it. It just takes it out. So anyway, I took it out. So I'm going to stamp on this. I'm going to put some scrap paper underneath. And ink up. Alrighty. Looks about right. Some on the top. I know they're just after the effects. I'm adding some little more dimension. Those of you that know me, I have to, right, wash and dry so I don't get the ink all over me, because I'm really good at that. Alright, next it says to take our banner and stamp Merry Christmas. So I'm going to do that. Pink up and stamp. Alright. And then wash and dry. Wash and dry. Alright, I think we're done with the stamping. Next, it wants us to take our little red strip here and use our tear and tape. Put a little strip across it. And then it wants us to put dimensionals on the back of this. After I put this on the back. I guess it just has a little bit of it sticking out. Alright, dimensionals. That's me using 4. Whoops. And then while I'm in dimensional mode, I'm going to put some on the backs of these two die cuts, as it has like that. And then here, shows you right where to put it, if you can see those dots. Alrighty. And then we assemble. Close this up. And this will go down first. Like so. And then this. And then the banner. And usually there's something sparkly, but I think because there's sparkle on this, that this is it. And there's our card. First card. Alright, next card. The pieces I have are these. And the first thing they want us to do is fold this. So I'm going to fold it gentle because it's not quite as strong because I cut that piece out. Use my bone folder so it'll not lie nice and flat. Tuck that in. And again, it wants us to put the piece of tear and tape on here. You could cut it too, but I just like using my fingernails. Then we're stamping Joyful Thoughts to You This Season on our banner. Close my ink. Wash and dry. It's a good habit to get into. And then I'm going to add, stupid phone, sorry about that. I've had problems with some spam calls. How about you guys? Yeah. Alright, hold on just a sec while we let that machine pick it up for us. Sorry about that. I got on some list and they've been calling about 7 to 10 times a day. And it's obnoxious. Alright, there's our ribbon. and our dimensionals. And then on here, it wants us to put them on here and here. Now they have it so that it will sit just right on top of each other, so that's why I'm following exactly where it wants me to put these. Here and here and here. Alright, now we need the card front. This goes in the middle. Now, for those of you that don't recognize it, this month's Paper Pumpkin coordinates with this sweet Nests of Winter. Isn't that pretty? See how they're the same critters? So I have plans to make some more out of these. Alright, the first one goes up here. So that can open. And then this one. And then this one. So there's our second card. And there are other sentiments that you can put in here. So we'll put that with our coordinating envelope. And there are our Paper Pumpkin cards for the month.